YouTube? What's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I can't say we did not call this Bitcoin sell-off. Boys, did we call this Bitcoin sell-off? Literally in the last video, did I not talk about the fact that Bitcoin is going to retrace? Probably see as low as maybe 61, maybe lower. Didn't I say we might touch the fives, boys? Come on, man. Somebody got to be listening to these Bitcoin breakdowns. But don't worry, guys. You can still make money in cryptocurrency. You just got to be tapped into your boy Crypto J. I'm letting you know when I'm shorting on Bitcoin, and I'm letting you know when I am buying meme coins. And guys, guess what? It's not a bad time to be accumulating meme coins. One meme coin that I have been talking about on this channel just in the past couple days has been Book of Meme. If you guys haven't been tapped into the live streams, also, guys, I'm telling you, I'll be going live randomly. So again, you have to have the bell notification on, but I'm going live every Tuesday and every Thursday, but I might randomly go live. Like I might go live after this. I might upload this and then in a couple hours I might go live. But the only way you're going to know that is if you're subscribed and you get the bell notification. But again, if you would have been subscribed and had the bell notification on, then you would have already known that this is a coin that I've been talking about on the channel. It was looking a little more solid a little earlier today, but it seems to be holding its value, sitting around a billion. I do evaluate this much more than 800 million, and I'll tell you guys why. First of all, their Twitter, like I talked about in my last video, very underrated. Just jumped up 1,000 followers just today, just due to the fact that this thing is trending, right? It's trending all over Dex Tools, and it's being talked about a lot. It's being shared a lot, and that's what you want. You want a community that's going to go out and that's going to share your project 304 times, or like, you know, they're just active in the community, and that's what you want. You want people that are active in the community, and you want big exchanges listing your coin, which is what happened for Book of Meme, which was what really sent this thing through the roof. I thought it was kind of crazy that Binance listed a coin that is so early, but they did it, and I guess it just due to the fact that when Bitcoin consolidates, Binance, I'm noticing they'll list a lot of meme coins now because they just have volume, and that's what Binance really needs right now. They need volume on their exchange so that they can stay in business. So that's pretty much what's going on, and that means that a lot of other exchanges might actually start looking at Book of Meme too. It is listed on some pretty decent sized exchanges, but I do think that in the future maybe this might be listed on something like crypto.com, and that might send the price up as well. We've seen that happen with a lot of coins, right? We've seen a lot of coins that we were able to beat early on because we use Dex tools. And if you guys aren't using Dex tools, it's probably because you're not subscribed to my channel. I don't know who you're following, but you should unfollow them, hit that subscribe button. I don't know how many times I gotta say in the video. Some of you guys haven't done it yet. You just see me pop up and you're like, wow, I get amazing amounts of value of this guy's video, but I just don't hit the subscribe button. Takes 5 seconds, boys. Great for the algorithm. But we want to talk again. Book of Meme. They don't. I don't even know. Like, does this have a website even? Like, let's see. That's the thing with these meme coins, right? You want to make sure that. Okay, let's see how many people are on the Telegram. Telegram got 20,000 people in there, and these guys, I'm sure, are shilling every day. Again, for the fact that this already has 73,000 holders and it's only a couple days old is quite impressive. The fact that it's literally created history in cryptocurrency of being like the top cryptocurrency as far as like going from 0 to 1.5 billion in market cap. So in my opinion, this thing has already made history. And again, people talk, and a lot of whales are in this trade. So maybe that's going to attract more whales. Maybe this is going to be more adopted again on more exchanges and stuff like that. We were hoping for a possible double bottom right here on this 12-hour chart, but I mean, we really don't have a lot of data. But this does not look like a horrible time of accumulation. Maybe on this 4-hour chart we start creating some kind of a wedge and continue our uptrend, but just the past 30 minutes, decent amount of sell action. So I don't know, this is a coin that I'm definitely looking at though. Let me know if you guys have been looking at this. Also, look at this 1-hour chart, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder. These are the times of indecision, boys. These are the times where it's make or break. So This is a chart that on this 1 hour is looking a little sus, right? 30-minute looking like we could create a wedge still, and we could still break up out of that. Everything's just kind of sitting with Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin is dropping down, and that's what we talked about, guys. We talked about the fact that if you're trading in this market right now, you better have some cojones. You better not be a crybaby. And if you're trading in this market right now, this is not the market to be a crybaby. The crybabies can be happy around here, but around here, this is where you're gonna have to use your skill, and this is where you're going. The money's few and far between unless you're short on it, and that's why I've been saying I'm short on a lot of things right now, including Bitcoin, just because again I needed to see this retest of at least 61. Now, if I want to be short, then I'm betting on a lower, range, and I don't know because again I'm bullish on Bitcoin for the long term. I think we're all bullish on Bitcoin for the long term, but again, guys, look at this 1 year chart creating a shoulder, head, shoulder. Some people are calling for a falling knife event, right? But I don't think that that's necessarily going to happen. Again, Bitcoin all time not looking that bad, right? Low pullback, which is necessary for the cup and handle. It also fits our narrative that the Bitcoin having is next month. So I do expect a cheaper price on Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin was already up like 50% on the month. So the fact that we're down like 30% right now from the top is like a normal correction. This is like a normal correction. It's not even significant yet, in my opinion. This is but it can get significant over the next couple months, and it's definitely not a crazy time to be short on the market. Like I've been saying since 71K that we were overbought, right? I was talking about our RSI being so overbought, but again, we got some of these coins that just want to make moonshots, in my opinion. Again, if you're holding Book of Meme Coin, I'm holding it on with you. And this is a coin that I'm excited to see what it's gonna do. It may go down significantly, right? Sometimes pre-launches tend not to do well, but again, this one has a lot of interest, has a lot of holders, in my opinion. They're not that big on Twitter yet. Their Telegram is not that big, and this has room to grow. But again, that's just my opinion, guys. It's not financial advice. This is just entertainment. It's just for fun. And ultimately, guys, you need to do your own research. Always check audits too. This is part of doing your research. You have to have a tool like Dex Tools, guys, so that you can check these audits. Check these audits, right? Usually they have more than one audit. This one only has one audit, but it's trusted, I guess. So, and it's trusted enough for Binance to list it. So if it's trusted enough for Binance to list it, then I guess why not, right? But again, guys, it's your money. Be responsible with your money. Do not invest more money than you are willing to lose. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile. So again, it's not a game for crybabies. This is a game of luck, and it's a game of chance. And we just use indicators to do the best we can to get positions. But at the end of the day, guys, nobody can predict markets. So be fearful of the man who says that he can predict the market, because he cannot. We could just try our best to make some money with the situation is what it is with Bitcoin. Like either you can be short on Bitcoin, or I don't know, maybe you can bet on that this is some kind of a double bottom and that Bitcoin starts retracing and then everything is going to surge. I don't know what's going to happen, boys. Let me know what you think is going to happen, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.